Hello viewers, in this video we'll see repeated distribution method under secondary distribution of overheads. These are the various methods of secondary distribution of overhead. We saw direct distribution and step method. In this video we'll see this repeated distribution method. This repeated distribution method is nothing but the overheads of service department are distributed to production and service departments on the basis of percentage agreed upon as reasonable. Okay, here the overheads of service department are distributed to the production department and also to the other service department. Okay, likewise this process will repeated until the service department overhead cost becomes nil. Okay, until it becomes nil, this process will continue. Okay, let's see one problem. The following particulars relate to a manufacturing company which has three departments A, B, C and two service departments X and Y. Here the overheads as per the primary distribution was given. Okay, and the company decided to charge the service department cost on the basis of the following percentages. Okay, see here the X cost is distributed to A 40% and to B 30% and to C 20% and to Y 10%, and similarly Y cost is distributed to production department and service department in for A 30%, for B 30%, for C 20% and for X 20%. Find the total overhead of production department on the repeated distribution method. Okay, here the service department X and Y and the cost primary distribution overhead cost of X and Y is distributed in this ratios. Okay, let's start doing the problem now. Yes, first I have written the departmental overhead as per the primary distribution. For A it is 6,300 and for B 7,400 and for C 2,800 and for X 4,500 and for Y 2,000. Okay, and now we'll start with X, department X. Okay, so this 4,500 is to be distributed to A, B, C and Y in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. Okay, I simplified this percentage. Okay, that's all. We'll see how to classify it. Yes, 6,300 into 4 by 10, 6,300 into 3 by 10 and 6,300 into 2 by 10, and for Y 6,300 into 1 by 10. Okay, just this simplification of this percentages: 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10 and 1 by 10. We'll get 1,800, 1,350, 900 and 450. Okay, I'll write it in that chart. Yes, have written it. And next we have to distribute this Y's overhead. Already Y is having 2,000 as per primary distribution, and this is the 450 is the share distribution from X. So together we have to distribute now. So 2,000 plus 450 we have to distribute in the ratio of 3:3:2:2. Okay, yes, see 2,450 into 3 by 10, 2,450 into 3 by 10, 2,450 into 2 by 10 and 2,450 into 2 by 10. We'll get 735, 735, 490 and 490. Okay, I'll write there. Yes. Okay, now we have to again distribute this 490 in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. Okay, the same ratio you are going to follow it here. Okay, we'll see. Yes, 490 into 4 by 10, 196, 490 into 3 by 10, 147, 490 into 2 by 10, 98, 490 into 1 by 10, 49. Okay, yes, I have written it. And now this Y's share, that is 49, is to be distributed in the same ratio, that is 3:3:2:2. Yes, 15 for A and 15 for B and for C 10, and it will comes in decimal in order to round off it. For x, we allocate 9 rupees. Okay. And 9 for x. Okay. Now, this 9 is to be distributed in the ratio of, actually we came to the last part. So, it reaches the single digit. So, no need to allocate to y now. Okay. We can stop up to a, b, c, because if we allocate to y, it will become a negligible figure. Okay. So, we'll stop up to this and we'll allocate this to x, a, b and c. Okay. Yes. In the ratio of 4:3:2, because we are going to stop this y. Okay, so 4/9, 3/9 and 2/9 will get 4 rupees, 3 rupees and 2 rupees for A, B and C. Okay, that I have written. Okay, now we have to total it up. Yes, we have to add the cost of A, cost of B and cost of C. Okay, I hope now you are clear with this repeated distribution method. I have given you a small problem for you to practice. Thank you for your patient listening.